Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn festival tokens for the Modular Streets Festival in Heartopia. So one way is to sell items that are in the festival, like insects or fishes or foods that are festival related. So I'm just going to go to Azure here. She will be in front of Dorothy's shop. Well, she will be like near it. So I'm just going to sell some items here. I'm just going to sell all my foods for now. And I'll do the flowers as well, because I really need the fish tank. And I'll sell like the 1-star items here. So I just want it to be gone. Okay, there's more here, so I will be doing that. And I'm just going to sell that. And you'll get festival tokens from there, and you can also get festival tokens from the catalog here. You can get it by completing the challenges they have here. So you need to catch how many fishes and complete some personal goals and some team goals as well, and you'll need to participate in an event. And yeah, that's how you can earn festival tokens in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!